Can we keep each other company?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sheikha, and if you want to see how I did this look, please keep watching. Please don't forget to like this tutorial and subscribe. First of all, I'm gonna prime my eyelids using a concealer and blending it really well and set it with these two shades from Morphe 35O palette. And now I'm using this shade as my transition from the same palette. And now I'm using this shade from Modern Renaissance palette and placing it in the inner and the outer corners of my eye and connecting it just in the crease and trying to blend it more into the transition shade. Going back to the transition shade and blending it furthermore. And now I'm intensifying the inner and the outer corners using this shade from Morphe. And now I'm placing this color near the inner and the outer corners shades and blending it really well. And then I'm gonna wet the brush and place the color again just to intensify the color more and keeping the center empty. And then I'm gonna use this shade also in the center. I'm gonna use this color dry first and then gonna wet the brush and apply it again. And then before the color dries, I'm gonna place this glitter from Makeup Forever, blending it a little bit, then gonna apply the glitter again. And now I'm cleaning under my eyebrows using the same shade that I set my concealer with. And now I'm gonna add a light gold shade to my inner corners. I'm gonna use the same shade that I used before underneath my eyes, starting with the Modern Renaissance shade, then the Morphe transition shade, and then the gold shade. And now I'm gonna use glitter eyeliner and set it with the same glitter that I used before. For more definition, I'm adding these two shades with the flat brush. And voila, we are done. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.